welcome back. My name is Freddy D, and today we're gonna talk about building your email list by using a sales funnel. And so the first step is you have to determine what product you're going to sell. And really, the sales funnel is the process of finding that prospect to eventually getting a paying customer. Okay, that's the whole idea. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta pick one product. What is it that you're gonna sell? It could be a service, it could be a product, a course, what have you. So um, for this example, I'm gonna pretend that I'm a nutritionist, and my goal eventually is to sell an online coaching weight loss program. Okay. So, what's the second step? The second step is you have to build a so called lead magnet. Okay. The thing is, people need to trust you. People, you need people to like you. And when you have that and you have built authority as well, then people are ready to pay you. Okay. So, we're going to use something which is for free in exchange for their phone number, email address, their first name. Okay? So this is really an exchange of value. So, first of all, your lead magnet has to be valuable, it has to be very specific, it needs to solve a problem, and in the end, we want them to have a problem solved just a little bit, but if they want the complete package, then you have to make it enticing enough. Okay, so if you're talking about weight loss, in this case, and you'll see, it's meant for women, for moms specifically, helping them lose all the weight in say 8 weeks or 12 weeks. That's solving a problem from A to Z. Your lead magnets shouldn't do that because otherwise there wouldn't be anything to sell. But it could, you know, take them from A to B for free. Okay, so it has to make sense from a sales alignment perspective. But we're gonna take a look at this right now. So let's take a look at the product, and a lot of these info products can be found online, like this one. Favorite desserts, delicious recipes that quickly burn fat. Okay, so after you came up and you created your lead magnet, you have to build a so-called opt-in page. So if you watch my previous video, I tell you how to build one, and we're gonna go over it again. Let me pull up the slides. Okay. So your opt-in landing page, you have to come up with a compelling headline. You have to call out your market. Who is it for, right? People need to understand that this is for them or not, and you want to explain the benefits in a few bullet points, and obviously you want them to take action, right? So here we go. This is the headline. Okay, you can use a sub headline. Explain how it benefits them. Okay, so always answer what's in it for me, and a call to action. Okay, so from here you're gonna um, sign up, and we're going to redirect them to a so-called thank you page. So a thank you page is obviously exactly what it is. The thing is that most people, however, underutilize this page. So for the advanced people, they throw in an upsell or they throw them into a different funnel. But that's a bit too complicated. We're going to keep it simple. What I suggest you do is give them more value. Like send them a link to an article, a blog post, or a video so you can establish that authority. So you can build that connection with these people and be liked and be trusted. Okay? And obviously, here is where you can download that thing. It's gonna actually take you to a landing page, or I mean, a download page, which is the last page you need. Okay, so those are the three pages you need. You need an opt-in page, a thank you page, a download page. So that's it. If you want this funnel, you can have it for free. Just click the link below, sign up, and you can import this um, this funnel completely for free. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.